In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule your reels on Instagram. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, open your Instagram apps and click on your profile. Before schedule the reels on Instagram, you need to change the settings. First, click on this menu icon and then scroll down and find Business Tools and Control and tap on it. Now click on Switch Account Type and switch to Business Account. Now tap on Switch. Once you switch to business account, then you need to go to your profile, then you will see professional dashboard will appear here. Now click on this plus icon and click on Reels. Now choose the reel video and click on next button. Once you come to this page, then you need to scroll down and click on more option. Now enable schedule these reels and choose the timer. Once it's ready, then click on done button. Now you need to go back to previous step and click on schedule button. By following this tutorial, you can easily schedule your reels on Instagram.